Welcome back to Casify. My name is Purva and let me tell you one thing. हर टाउनशिप बड़ा होता है बट हर टाउनशिप कंप्लीट नहीं होता. आज हम आए हैं एक ऐसे एड्रेस पर जहां सिर्फ घर नहीं बल्कि फेजेस में प्लान लाइफस्टाइल मिलती है. वेलकम टू वीनस स्काई सिटी. Venus Sky City is a massive 20-acre township thoughtfully planned in 3 phases, with Phase 1 already delivered, Phase 2 possession by year-end, and Phase 3 named as Vivanta is spread across 6 massive acres. Vivanta Phase brings 7 premium towers with ground plus 34 stories. यहाँ आपको मिलते हैं smartly designed 1 BHK and 2 BHK homes, plus jewelry options for bigger families. Carpet areas ranges from 395 square feet to 872 square feet. मतलब whether you are a first time buyer or upgrading your lifestyle, यहाँ options perfectly fit होते हैं. But before we move ahead, let me quickly tell you what is Casify. Casify is a platform where we connect home buyers directly with the developers. That means no brokerage, no random commission, and no spam phone calls. Because on Casify, the listing is done by the builder and not by the brokers. As home buying should be simple and not complicated. Now let's get back to the project details. इस टाउनशिप का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट फेज वाइज डेडिकेटेड एमिनिटीज. और अगर हम बात करें विवांता फेज की तो यहाँ आपको मिलते हैं 25 प्लस लाइफस्टाइल एमिनिटीज इंक्लूडिंग अ ग्रैंड 2-floor क्लब हाउस, fully functional banquet hall. Unique highlight is the artificial beach with multi-purpose court for sports and activities. ये सिर्फ amenities नहीं हैं, ये एक resort style everyday living experience है. Location wise भी project काफी strong है. Manpara Circle just 200 meters, D-Mart only 500 meters away, upcoming metro station सिर्फ 5 मिनट के walking distance पे, and डोंबिवली रेलवे स्टेशन approx 3.5 kilometers. डेली एसेंशियल से लेके फ्यूचर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तक सब कुछ इजीली एक्सेसिबल है. अब शुरू करते हैं हमारा सैंपल फ्लैट टूर. वी आर एंटरिंग द 2 BHK of the residential project Venus Sky City. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 572 square feet. As we enter, आप देख सकते हो ये है आपका spacious living and dining area in L shape. You can place your sofa, center table and customize a TV unit in your living. Attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony जहाँ से आप views enjoy कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे है आपका dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. ये apartment है on a butterfly layout, so have bedrooms on both the side. इस corner पे है आपका first bedroom that you can customize as your kid's bedroom. You can easily place your bed, side table, you can customize a study corner as well. And in this bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade. Glass facade will give you safety and beautiful standing balcony looks. Now, moving forward, let's have a look at the other side of the apartment. As we move forward, यहाँ पे है आपका kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the sink provided. In your kitchen, you have ventilation windows provided as well, and opposite to your kitchen is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now it's time to have a look at your master bedroom. We are entering your master bedroom, and this is the space of your master bedroom. You can place your bed, side table, you can have a look. आपका wardrobe भी काफी spacious है. You can also build lofts if you wish to. And in this bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade. And as we move forward in this corner, over here we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And with this, we come to the end of this sample flat tour of the residential project Venus Sky City. And now, time for the real talk. Honestly, अगर home buyer के perspective से बोलें, तो आज के time सिर्फ घर लेना enough नहीं है. Value, growth और lifestyle equally important है. यहाँ आपको 3 strong reasons दिखते हैं. Large township planning मतलब long term appreciation, upcoming metro, clear future growth signal और इतनी amenities जो actually daily life को upgrade करती हैं. अगर आप डोंबिवली में एक बैलेंस इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लस लाइफस्टाइल होम देख रहे हो तो वीनस स्काई सिटी डेफिनेटली डिजर्व्स योर अटेंशन. Also, guys, if you're planning your next home or investment in Dombivli East, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. If for more details like site visit or best deals, contact the number given below and keep following Casify for more such project updates. Till then, see you in the next video.